This is a hanger for anything that you want to put up, like in gardening. And it's got the screws and anchors, so if you got wood or anywhere you want to put this up, you can do so. So what we're going to do is grab a drill. We're going to grab an area, place it into the holes. Let's say we want it this height. We screw in. Now we're going to put another screw or bolt in, place it on, like so. We're good. And we're going to take our hose and hang it up. We have a hose. We simply wrap it as many times as possible to hang our hose up. Now there is no hook for my hose, but that's how it would hang up. Depending on the length of my hose, that is what this product is great for. It's got a rubber covering. It sits on the wall nicely, and it's nice and strong as I'm putting a lot of pressure on there. I hope this product may be right for your gardening needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.